Hello everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm highlighting a new arrival to the dealership. The stock number is CP17539T. It's a used 2024 Chevy Express Explorer 7-passenger conversion van. It has a high roof. It's Delmonico red on the exterior color. Got LED fog lamps down low. Got the iconic Explorer license plate up front. 20-inch alloy wheels. Nice Michelin tires on it. Got the high roof with the Vista Cruiser glass up there to give you some nice indirect sunlight in there. Beautiful van. It seems to look in almost perfect condition. I'm not seeing any blemishes on this van. Around back, you got your rear backup sensors, class 4 tow hitch, 4 and 7-pin wiring harness, dual exhaust, rear backup camera as well. Take a peek in the rear here. Got plenty of storage space. A little bit of target netting here. The back gets you some extra storage. If you ever need to change your tire on the road, you got your jack here. Kids make a mess. You got a vacuum here to vacuum up. 12-volt outlet. Have your controls for your rear bench, so this will lay down into a bed here with the push of a button. You can slide it forwards or lay it down and make it down into a bed, and push of a button, you can go right back up. Walk around, take a look on the inside. It's got power running boards that you'll see deploy once we open the door. Make it easier and safer to get in and out. Got privacy shades all around, get you total privacy. Your captain's chairs are on a quick release pedestal, so you push the lever down, pull it out, that will release the chair. Inside you got your 2 captain's chairs, diamond stitching all around, the red Explorer icon here in the headrest. Got a Samsung Smart TV that pairs up to the LG Blu-ray player. If you're going to put a gaming system in here, it's already preset here with your HDMI and your power outlets. Flip the speakers on for surround sound with the gaming. Power or lighted cup holders, your remotes for the TV, DVD. You got storage bin here. These are wireless headphones in here. Rear bench seat, seating for 3, or you can do 2 with the armrest in there. Each seat has the USBs to charge your devices. You got an overhead storage bin in the rear. Overhead, you got your skylight here. You got a privacy shade to get some sun, keep the sun out. Overhead lighting here. Up front, get your center console with cup holders that doubles down into a ice chest. Your front seats, they're heated, full power, lumbar support, all that. You got your center console here with your glove box, cup holders, lane keep assist, forward collision assist. You've got a 120 wall outlet, USB port, power outlet. Does have OnStar traction control. This van has the upgraded Alpine radio as well. Your overhead controls here. Steering wheel has your cruise control settings, your Bluetooth settings here, so you can do hands-free phone calls, power mirrors, windows, and locks. Again, we're looking at stock number CP17539T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio, or you can visit us online at paulsherryconversionvans.com, or give Lucas a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Thank you for watching.